Defining the digital nomad retreat in Lisbon in one word, I would just say inspiring. It sums up everything. For me, it was the very first, it was like an introduction into the digital nomad lifestyle, and I got to know all the different ways how you can become a digital nomad, how you can go step by step and improve your skills and apply your skills and your passion while you're traveling and just using your computer. And that was quite amazing. But it must be true that the most important part about all this training for me was the people I met. So recommendable to everybody who is in their own way, trying to find their way, trying to improve their way and getting farther in the knowledge. I would 100% recommend that. Just having fun together. And I mean, we got to know Lisbon, the hidden places from there, and the most important dishes that we had to try out. And it was for sure an unforgettable, wonderful experience over there, and I would definitely recommend it to everybody to do that. And yeah, that's all I want to say.